morning, everybody. Today we're growing a garden. We've never done it before. This is a new venture for us. So we got this super cool little Grow Like a Pro kit from Target, and we were able to plant some seeds, and we're gonna grow a garden. So we're really excited about it. We're excited about the journey, and we're excited to show you. So come on. So this is the kit that we bought from Target. It's essentially the way that we're going to be growing our seedlings into bulbs that will eventually plant into bigger pots to grow our tomatoes, our spinach, and our squash. Yeah. We're not sure if squash is a root plant, so we might not be able to grow those in a hydroponic system, but we'll find out. But spinach and tomatoes are two of the ones that we can plant in pots and be able to grow very quickly. And then we also got this tiny little pollination system for bees. This is the plant that grows will help the bees pollinate and help save the bees, which I really thought was cool. But essentially with this, all you have to do is just wet the little bulbs with water. And then you just stick the seed inside the bulb, smush it together, and then keep it in sunlight. And that's really it. Then once the sprouts have grown up about 4 to 6 inches, then you replant them into another pot or into the ground. And that's how you start your garden. So we hope to keep using this system to help us start our plants, and hopefully we'll have some food soon. So I'm really excited about it.
All right, now so we'll put them over here in the sun for about 6 hours a day, and then we'll check the water. Not too bad. Is it a bug?
No, it's my eyelashes.
Like your real eyelashes?
No, like magnetic eyelashes.
Fall off?
Yeah. See, they are magnets. Cool. And they go on your eyeballs like this.
Your eyeballs?
On your eyelashes.